Hello, whenever you are doing a Teams live meeting and you're the producer, right? And you get this very depressing message. So maybe your internet was affected, you've dropped off the call. Do not panic. Number one important thing, do not rejoin. If you rejoin, this is going to bring you back in as a presenter, which is bad, because you will not be able to control what goes live. This has happened to me a number of times, and if you're unfortunate that you are the one that your screen was being sent to the live before this drop-off call happened, the audience will be seeing live event has not yet commenced or live event has not started, and that is a problem that we have till the end of the event. In fact, you can't even end the live event anymore. So never rejoin. So you can hang up. Don't be afraid. My fear was that if I hang up or if I don't join back using this rejoin, that I'm going to not be able to like the event we end. No. Just go back to your calendar, go back to the events page, and join as you would have originally from the event schedule. So you join right again using this approach. So you click on join, and you will notice it will say, you joining back as a producer. This is important. That's what you want. You want to join back as a producer, and this is the only way you can come back in as a producer. So I'm going to click on join now, and you will see that I will be able to have the control once again. I can now be able to say yes, send this to the live page. I get all of this producer control right again. So this is the approach you should use whenever you fall out of a Teams live meeting and you are the producer. Okay, so don't make the mistake I made. This almost ruined 2 of my live presentations that I still feel bad about them till now. So thank you.